Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Session again. So today in this video, as part of the Linux interview question series, we are going to see another very interesting and very important interview question, that what happens when you run init 0 command in Linux. Okay, so what happened to your this particular question they may be asking you during the interview to make you understand that so what is how the interview the Linux system will behave whenever you're running this kind of a commands. Okay, so what happens when you run the init 0 command in Linux? Okay, we're going to see the answer. The init 0 command will shut down the Linux operating system. Okay, you might be surprised to see this, so this is the answer, but this the reality is, so Linux 0 command will eventually shut down your operating system. Okay, let's go back and see some kind of a demo. Okay, so now I'm currently in my like AWS console. So I have a host one. This is my operating system. Okay, I'm going to connect this system. Okay, so this is running and I'm going to connect it. Okay, as you can see here in the, if you can go back and you can see here this particular machine. Okay, so this particular machine is the host one is running, right? So now what I'm going to do is that so I'm going to wait for some time to the system is getting booted up. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to sudo uh, um, sudo -i to go into the root. Okay, now I'm going to give the command called init 0. Okay, so what happened if you can give init alone? Okay, so argument is missing. Okay, so we need to give some kind of argument for this particular command. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give init, and then that option is equal to 0. Okay, so whenever I'm just giving init and 0, init and 0, so it's going to be see that the system will be powered off. The reason why is that this is the the system run levels. Okay, we called it as a Linux run levels, and the init 0 is going to be the first command that can be shutting down your system. Okay, that's why as you can see here the system will be powered off. As you can go back and see here, it was running. If you can refresh it, then you might be observing that it's going to be stopping it. Okay, so why? Because it has been getting stopped, and then it's not terminating, but it is going to be stopping your machine. So it will still stopping. Okay, now as you can see here, you won't be able to access this particular machine from the terminal. I'm trying to execute some kind of a commands here. It's not been able to access it, and when I refresh it again to access it, so the instance is unable to connect. Okay, all this because of the command whatever you're giving init 0, right? So that is the major the command that you have to be noted down, that so whenever you're giving init 0, it completely stops it. All right, so now the interview question. So what is terraform, sorry, what is init 0 will be used in Linux. Okay, so hope you understand this particular video, guys. If you like this video, and please like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you like these kind of videos, and please follow our channel. We will be posting a lot of different and interesting questions on Linux. Okay, see you again in the next video.